We are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.